The wheel is worn and coated with rust, showing years of neglect.
The saddle is cracked and worn, the leather dry and brittle.
Hands remove layers of dust from the pedals, revealing metal beneath.
The chain is stiff and rusted, refusing to move freely. The tires are flat, and the bicycle rests unevenly on the ground.
Peeling paint is carefully scraped away to reveal bare metal.
The handlebars are bent and slowly being adjusted back into shape.
Oil is applied to the chain to loosen stiff links. The bicycle rests, ready for careful cleaning and repair.
Dirt is gently wiped from the brake lever to restore function.
A worn pedal is removed and replaced with a clean, functional one. The metal frame is polished, revealing its original shine.
Air is pumped into the tires, restoring their shape and strength.
The brake cables are tightened, improving control and safety.
Each spoke is cleaned to remove years of grime and rust.
The wheel is slowly straightened, spoke by spoke.
Wax is applied to protect the frame and enhance its shine.
Loose bolts are secured, stabilizing the saddle.
The handlebars are cleaned, restoring grip and comfort.
Scratches are gently buffed to restore a smooth surface.
The pedals are polished, reflecting light like new metal.
The frame is wiped clean, removing any remaining dust.
The tires regain their shape, firm and ready for riding.
The handlebar stem is tightened to secure steering stability.
The teeth of the chainring are cleaned for smooth pedaling. The pedals are set back in place, ready for movement.
The brake levers are polished, restoring their original sheen.
The wheels spin smoothly, confirming proper alignment.
Reflectors and small fittings are secured, completing the restoration.
The final cleaning reveals a bright, renewed frame.
The chain shines, free from rust and grime.
The tires are firm and clean, ready for a smooth ride.
The saddle looks renewed, with soft and intact leather.
The bicycle now stands fully restored, shining under the sun.
Every surface is smooth and polished to touch.
The pedals and chain move effortlessly, fully functional. The brake system is restored, responsive, and polished.
The restored bicycle presents a clear, flawless profile.
The wheels turn smoothly, showing careful restoration work.
The handlebars are clean and firm, ready for control.
The chainring and sprockets gleam, fully restored for pedaling.
The polished surfaces reflect sunlight, showing their renewed state.
The saddle aligns perfectly with the restored frame.
The rear wheel spins freely, fully operational.
From above, the bicycle appears completely renewed and tidy.
The brake cables are smooth and responsive, fully restored.
The bicycle stands ready, fully restored and shining.